Welcome to the Southwestern Career Academy.
Welcome to the cutting edge.
It feels great. Is this water too hot?
Oh my god, I love this color.
We help to sell.
About a lot of Muslim women to pick up some really great research too.
Yeah, so in our first year, we're investing.
Open. Close. You all right? Okay, good. Hey, Grace, can you get me more for someone? Yeah. Keep your head. Watch your head. Considering what's appropriate.
You have this wheelchair. Your blood pressure.
Genetically engineered pregnancies accomplish for genetic material.
That was great. Welcome to the Mobile Apps Podcast, and today we'll be talking about
That solution is perfect.
So how are you guys doing today?
I'm doing good.
Probably check the wires contact.
Did you finish your round? Today we're going to talk about
Just gonna pay for piece of equipment for cooking.
Enjoy your meal. Thanks.
Need to finish the alarm for the booth.
The Southwestern Career Academy. What's your plan?